Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we got one that came in a ramen trunk. This is a Myojo Yakisoba. I don't know which one it is, but it does mention the High Exalted. Where is it? Enjoy Mayo Beam. How can you not enjoy a fiery, lasery style beam of mayonnaise? I don't know. You have to be a ridiculous person not to be able to enjoy that. So, anyways, if you are one of those non-ridiculous people and you like ramen, you should check out Ramen Trunk. Go to, what is it? bit.ly/Ramen Trunk and use the coupon code Ramen Raider 20 off? Yeah, I think so. But yeah, do that and you save a little money. Anyways, this has been reduced to its bare elements. How long does this go for? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So, it steeps. So you take it off. Here's some of the loose junk from the bottom of the bowl. Or tray, rather. The noodle block. And this is where it gets kind of tricky because I can't like lay it flat right away. But rest assured it will be done. I'm doing a little bit of the magic action myself right here. Yeah. Come on, get in there. Almost submerged. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Damn! Okay, living dangerously as the Ramen Raider. And now we're gonna take the roof off, throw the roof off, raise the roof, do some roofing. Ultimate Tamago Kake Gohan Machine to the rescue here for some fun. Ready? Whip that egg. You watching this? I hope you can see it down in the bottom down here. It's spinning furiously, folks. So let me tell you, it's been crazy lately. I've been doing a lot of walking. And by a lot of walking, meaning like today, this morning, I did 8 miles? I think I did like 8.2 miles. That's a lot, you know. And I had like this whole thing this weekend. I was like, I need to get like really good walking shoes, right? And that seemed like the logical thing to do. Well, I went to walking shoe places and I was just like, man, ugh. I just don't see spending $160 on a pair of shoes when I can get them, the ones that I enjoy and the ones that fit and everything and I'm used to, up at Walmart in Canada for $32 Canadian and probably end up paying under 30 for. So, knows. But yeah. So I think I frustrated a couple people at the walking store. at a couple different The Walking Store locations. That's okay. I don't mind. I'm not allowed to mind, so that's okay too. So you keep watching that. I'm going to drain these noodles. Probably blow my nose. God. Nose is just like packed with funk. Why is that, Ramen Raider? Why is your nose packed with funk? I don't know, because I've been walking around with traffic for like 2 hours. What's nice though, at least, is the more I do this, the less my feet hurt. But I'm also going a little bit further each time. Like last Friday, I went like, what? Last Thursday. Oh, God. Pardon, I apologize. Last Thursday I went 6.5 miles. And my feet were killing me. Today I go over 8. And they're not. And I did, I think each day this weekend I did 5. So that's not bad. I'm going to add in the Yakisoba sauce. Let me see if I can dual action here. Can you see me over here? Can you see me? No, you're kind of stuck behind that thing, aren't you? Whoa! No, you can't see me. Anyways, here I am. I don't know if you can see me or not, but you will shortly. This is the Yakisoba sauce. Stirring it. See, there's a nice amount of cabbage going on here. I want to say I've had this one, but I might not have. We'll find out. It just tastes like regular yakisoba, but it's good yakisoba. I've always liked this one. I know a lot of you out there have as well. This is basically like the Ipichan. Give this a stir. Fresh mung bean sprouts. Got them yesterday. Got something else at the store yesterday. Oh my God, I've never run that thing this long. Now it's off. I'm all like new to this whole crazy Tamago Kake Gohan machine action. But I saw this guy with one of them make the Tamago Kake Gohan, which I just did in a previous little review thing. That'll be part of the Hakubaku Meet the Manufacturer series, if that hasn't already happened yet. Check to see. Plate. Yakisoba. I should say, mountain of yakisoba that I won't be eating. Let's do the egg. This over here. This over here. Set this right there. Okay, let's do the yolk or the whites first. Give it a little spot for the yolk right there. Maybe it'll want to hang out there. That's my dream, my yolk dream. Do you have a yolk dream? I swear, a lot of the, there we go. Yolk dream. Yeah, yolk bucket list. Dealt with. In fact, we can even do this around a little bit nicer. Look at that. I knew as soon as I saw this thing, I freaking needed one immediately. What's in here? Okay. We've got a little bit of shichimi, it looks like, so we will add that on. Oh, I've got pork too. Maybe I should put the pork on first. Put this crazy pork. Got this on my walk this morning. This is just your basic. It's not. It's more your Chinese style. Yeah, this is a shichimi togarashi of sorts. There you go. There you go. And then we're gonna throw on some niggy. I'm just gonna start using so many Japanese words that nobody will know what the hell I'm talking about. Does that sound like fun? No? Okay, I won't. Oh, let's put this back over here. And alright, here we go. What do you think of that? Is that fun? Is it fun for you? This is fun for me. Just sitting right here and looking at this will turn around. It's like, wow, look at that. Here's some, this music is fitting. We'll let the egg come by again. Alright, well rad. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and yeah. Alright, later.